So this is Hunter with Sonic Electronics, and today in our install bay we have a 2022 Hyundai Elantra, and we're doing a bunch of stuff with this, but our main focus right now in this video is to show you how to take apart and take out the radio in this bad boy. So let's get started. So your first step is going to be obviously to remove the side panel here, and then remove all of these screws. They're all Phillips, so all you're going to need is a Phillips and a panel pry tool. This screw, this screw, this screw, and this screw, as well as this, and that should be it. After you remove these, you're going to want to move up here to this black panel. You're going to want to remove this first. I've already loosened this up, pried it off, and then there's a connector underneath. You're going to want to disconnect like so. Move this off to the side. There was a screw here, a Phillips. I've already removed it and made this panel loose. So we're just gonna pop this off. It is a little bit of a pain, but it pops straight off, as you can see. All the little clips. It's just this one screw holding it in. Set this to the side. Let's go ahead and get these screws out of here. And then there's another screw here at the corner of the dash that needs to be removed as well. Go ahead and pop the dashboard off. Like so. Your OBD2 connector goes in here. Just pinch it together, pop it out. I've already went ahead and did this. Alright, next step would be to pop this portion, bring the wheel down, pop this off. Like so. Be careful, it is pretty thin. There we go. Now, pop this accessory panel here. Your dimmer controls and lane assist and traction control switch. There we go. Disconnect it. One harness. There we go. Get that out of the way. You're going to want to remove this vent here as well. Like so. Just a couple clips, that one screw. About it. Set that off to the side. So you have two screws up here on top of the instrument cluster, as well as these. These may not need removed. Well, let's get these removed, and then there's two up here to hold this in here. Get that out of there. Now this piece should just pop right off, like so. That's it. And then this screw needs to come off. Right to the left of the instrument cluster. Pop right off, like so. Just little clips. Now we're getting to the radio portion of this. So what you're gonna wanna do is take out this Phillips screw right here, the two on top of the radio, and then there's another one to the right of the radio. It's almost like at this angle, but it's right here. I'll show that to you guys here in a second. And it should just pop right out. Am I missing something here? I'm missing. Oh, gotta lift up. So this little tab right here, you gotta lift up, and plus there's a tab here. Pull, lift up, pull out. I'm gonna lay it like this for now, for the time being. Actually, no, I'm gonna take this out because I don't need it in here. So disconnect it. Now these satellite antennas can be a pain. What you want to do is push in, push down with as much force as you can, and then pull out. Otherwise, they'll get a little stuck. Push in, push down, pull out. That's a tricky one. There we go. And that is how you take the radio out of a 2022 Hyundai Elantra. This is what it looks like.